Good morning, students. Today we will cover grammar portion from our IM1 book of English. So the topic is vowels. In our alphabet family, there are 26 letters, among which 5 are vowels and remaining 21 are consonants. In this video, we will focus on pronunciation of vowels. So let's start. First vowel letter is A. Pronunciation A. Apple, alligator, ant. Second vowel letter is E. Pronunciation A. Word from vowel E is elephant, egg. Third vowel letter is I. Pronunciation goes like E. Words can be igloo, ink, India. Fourth vowel letter is O. Pronunciation is O. Words can be octopus, on, off. Fifth vowel letter is U. Pronunciation for U is A. Words are umbrella, up and under.